If you're seeing collision warning not available on your Ford F-150 dashboard, this message indicates that your pre-collision assist system has stopped functioning properly. This system is part of Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes several critical safety features designed to protect you and your passengers. When this warning appears, multiple safety systems become unavailable, including automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, and pedestrian and cyclist detection features. The most common cause, accounting for 60 to 70% of cases, is sensor obstruction from dirt, mud, snow, or aftermarket accessories blocking the radar or camera sensors. Other causes include electrical issues like faulty wiring or low battery voltage below 11.5 volts, calibration problems from accidents or windshield replacements, and extreme environmental conditions. The collision warning system relies on radar sensors mounted behind the front grille and a camera system mounted on the windshield, all integrated with the truck's computer systems. When functioning properly, these sensors work together to detect vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, providing warnings and automatic braking when necessary to prevent collisions. Understanding what causes this warning message is the first step toward getting your safety systems back online and ensuring your F-150's collision avoidance features are working properly. The first step in troubleshooting collision warning issues is performing a thorough visual inspection of your F-150's front end. Look for dirt, mud, snow, or ice covering the radar sensors. These are typically located behind the front grille. Clean the sensor areas with mild soap and water. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, try resetting the collision warning system by turning your vehicle completely off for at least 10 minutes. Next, check your battery voltage. It should read 12.6 volts or higher when the vehicle is off. Low voltage can cause the collision warning system to shut down. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, advanced diagnostics are needed. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes in the vehicle's computer modules. Some issues require professional attention. Sensor alignment and calibration need specialized equipment, especially after accidents or suspension modifications. Ford uses over-the-air updates to improve safety systems. Make sure your vehicle's software is up to date through the Ford infotainment system. Prevention is key to avoiding collision warning issues. Simple monthly sensor cleaning can prevent 70% of these problems and keep your safety systems working reliably.